Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Starlink email address. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now the first thing you should do is to simply go and open your browser, whatever browser that you have. Then you should now start searching for starlink.com, then search for it, and here you will find this page. Now you'll have to click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you will have to sign in using your account, and once you sign in, you will have to go back and click on the three horizontal lines, and you will find here this page. Now you should click on my account option. Then it will show here this page. You just have to click on the pencil icon beside the email right here. Once you click on it, it will show you these two boxes. You'll have to enter the new email address, then confirm it. So you'll have to type it twice, one here and the second here. After that, click on save. Then it will send you an email verification. In order to complete your account activation, you just have to open your inbox and verify your account. And that's all for today, and see you in a new video.